To download CodeBlocks, go to your browser, write codeblocks.org, click enter, click on downloads, go to the binary release. Now if you're using Windows, I suggest you to click this link. If you're using Linux, click on this link. If you're using macOS, then click on this link. Since I'm using Windows, so I'll click on the first link. Now I want my CodeBlocks with the compiler, so I will look for CodeBlocks 20.0T main GW setup. It is right here. Then I click on the sourceforce.net. Now your download should start in few seconds. After the download, you have to go to your downloads folder and you should see something like this, a file named CodeBlocks 20.0T with the main GW. This setup file contains the GCC C compiler you will need to compile C or C++ files. Now double click on it. Now the setup will start. Now it will greet you with a welcome. Now you have to click next, click I agree, click next again. Now choose your destination folder. Now click install. After your setup has finished installation, you will see this message. Now click yes, because we want to check if our CodeBlocks is running properly and it is installed with the compiler. So click yes. Now it start running, but I will finish this. Now let it run. Let's create a C file. Click on the create a new project, go to files, click on C source, click C, click next, browse, select the folder. Now write your file's name, click finish. Let's write some C program. Click Ctrl S, save. Now click build and run. As you can see, the CodeBlocks is now installed with GCC compiler and it is compiling the C file. If you are not seeing these windows right here, you will have to go to view, logs, then view logs again. If it's not visible here, you will have to go to view, manager. Since I don't want it, so I always keep it closed. Thank you.